Hello everyone, this is a daily roundup video for Money Squared YouTube channel. I suggest you to watch with 1.5x speed for better viewing experience because I talk a bit slow in English. Let's go ahead and check what we did on the daily forecast. We were waiting for this support here to be broken and then continuing to the downside. I actually took a trade today. Let's go ahead monthly. Weekly still bullish, hasn't taken previous week highs yet. Dailies right where we left. We just took the daily highs yesterday, but we haven't taken these highs yet, which are very significant because today we can close this daily like this, and then tomorrow if we break the lows we should be good to go down. Even though we are in a bullish trend, yet here we can say that we broke the highs, but then we broke also the lows here. We closed below, but we took also these highs yet. So yeah, but we still hasn't taken these highs, the top of the high yet. So it's a bit in a mix between bullish and bearish trend. But if we see this break, we tried here, we closed below. If we break below here, we should be at least good to come down to this level, just like we expected here on our daily forecast video today in the morning that we made. So for our closed like this daily, we suppose that it's closing bearish. We're gonna go now and check how we took the trade today. So we were right at this we were right at this point here where I took the trade today, because basically we closed bearish according to our trading plan, and then I entered a sell here with stop loss above here, about 20 pips stop loss, and wick fill here to 7-8 pips. We moved to 12 pips. I moved stops at break even, so I was taking out at break even in one position. In one position I took a loss, but it was very bit of mix, but also I was not looking because very clearly, because as you can see we have a lot of rejection here, so we need to take out these rejection for further to go down, to continue to confirm to go down. So on 30-minute we had this. As soon as this candle closed bearish, I anticipated this just to keep going down, take these lows, and then potentially come to the support area right over here. But price came down and then reversed back up and went at the top of the range, and then either also took out these highs with this impulsive move around 30-40 pips, and then still came back in the range, and now we're just inside this range here. So today was a good day, and in pre-NY we came inside the range. We showed weakness in sellers, and this made a fake out, basically just filled this wick, not even fake out, we just filled this wick to the left hand side, and then we just kept reversed and went back up according to this trend that we have here on 30-minute. So here, looking back now, potential buys could have been here also. After this was 17 pips stop loss and 25 pip take profit to fill this wick here after this fake out. But because I took this trade and I don't want to over trade it now at the end of the year, which is there is not a lot of high volume times, not a lot of people trade at these times. So here you could have, there was a good buy taking these with 15 pips stop loss here, and then just taking buys at 25 pips, potentially 45 pips take profit area. And then after that we just went inside the range. Here you can see on 30-minute, but let's check the 1 hour. Was more, no, the 1 hour was not clear at all. 1 hour on break at these highs was 20 pip for 15, not clear at all. So yeah, today was just very hard day to trade because we didn't have a clear movement to any upside. We were just basically inside this range, and then we just bounce it back up, doing a lot of fake outs. Let's go ahead. Also on GJ we had potential sell ideas after this candle here. Let's go ahead and check after this candle. Maybe we can go back a bit. So let's go ahead and find this on our chart right over here, right after this candle. This was also, I didn't take this trade luckily because it was also a fake out. We broke below after this candle here, not breaking these highs, and then we just moved like, how much is this? 10, 20 pip? No, I don't. 14 pip move, and then we just went back up, but because GJ is having a lot, like you need 40 pip stop loss for a 15 pip take profit. This is nothing. So looking back now, you can spot that this was a pure fake out, and after closing above, breaking these highs here, you had click traffic to the left hand side, you could have amazing buys above here. But yeah, again, this is against the trend because trend was doing lower lows, lower high, lower low, lower highs, and we were basically in a downtrend. For taking buys was risky, but at London or at New York Open, when you see a fake out in pre-NY and with the NY volume breaking these highs, this could have been anticipated. Nice. On 30-minute also we had this support form confirming this high momentum, and then from here to here we had a clean traffic. We mirrored basically to the left hand side, and then we went to the top of the range. We rejected top of the range, went side and back in the range, and then we just consolidated here after NYSE open. At NYSE open was here, basically rejecting, having some momentum, mirroring this candle to the left hand side, and then we were just back in the range, so nothing significant. Let's go do a top down, bearish, weekly bearish, daily. If we close, like we basically close inside the range here, so we can at any point tomorrow we can either come up or break these lows and come down to this level here. So it's not clear anything on GJ. Basically we didn't even go out of this range, where two of my alarms are at the top of the range and bottom of the range. So tomorrow we will see at our daily forecast video if we can have a clearer break either to the upside of the range here or here, or to the downside here, so we can either take some buys or take some sells in GJ. Not playing inside this range because, as you can see, it's not so clear. You have a lot of fake outs. And yeah, this is about it for the daily roundup video. We had one buy here with New York volume on 30-minute also breaking these highs here, but then when you go back, for example, right over this, would you take a buy here? Breaking these highs, you have these rejections, but breaking these highs to fill this wick, you can anticipate, for example, another candle, yeah, like this. When you go back on GJ, for example, here, it looks perfect for sells, right? Could easily been trapped into sells. You have new candle forming support, next candle just shoot up, make it this hollow fake out, next candle again just break the highs with London, with New York volume, and then yeah, just continue to the upside. So it was not easy day to trade. We had clean moves. 15-minute GJ was here, a good trade here, especially here breaking these highs was amazing to mirror these candles to the left hand side. But next time maybe we will be able to get these trades. As of now, thank you for watching. I see you guys tomorrow on the daily forecast video in the morning in London session. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe and support the channel.